Hi everybody, I'm going to need your help today. All of my Paw Patrol friends are missing and I can't seem to find them. Will you help me find them? We have to sing the Puppy Finger Song. Are you ready to help me sing the Puppy Finger Song? Let's get started and find our first friend. Rubble finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Rubble, I have a present for you. Really? You have a present for me? Can I look at it right now? Of course. Yay! Rubble, you get a yellow surprise egg. I wonder what could be inside of your surprise egg. Let's crack it open and find out. You get a yellow car. Zuma finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Zuma, I have a present for you. Really? Can I open it now? Of course you can! Yay! Zuma, you get an orange surprise egg. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Whoa, Zuma, you got an orange car! How cool! Marshall finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Marshall, I have a surprise egg for you. You can go open it now. Yay! Marshall, you get a green surprise egg. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Wow, Marshall, you got a green car. How cool! Chase finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Chase, I have a surprise egg for you. Go open it up. Yay! Chase, you get a blue surprise egg. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Whoa, Chase, you got a blue car. Awesome! Sky finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sky, I have a really awesome surprise egg for you. Go open it up. Woohoo! Sky, you get a pretty pink surprise egg. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Whoa, Sky, you got a red car. How awesome! Whoa, look, all of our pups got surprise eggs. Let's go over the colors. Rubble got yellow. Zuma got orange. Marshall got green. Chase got blue. And Sky got pink. Wait. Something doesn't seem right here. One of these colors is off. Everybody got a matching color. But somebody's color matches me. Whose color could match me? Do you see which color matches me? That's right, Marshall's egg matches me. This egg is green. Marshall isn't green, Marshall is red. Great job, pups. As a reward, you get a surprise bag. Woohoo! You get the Lego minifigure Disney set. I wonder who could be inside. Let's find out. Who does this look like? We're gonna have to put him together. Whoa, it looks like we might have Chip or Dale. I wonder which one it could be. Let's match him to the guide. This looks like Chip or Dale. Whoa, we have Chip. It looks like our Lego figure matches Chip. How cool! Thank you so much for all your help, everybody. That's going to be it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and come back later for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!